in Cinque Terre. This is so amazing. Yeah. We made it to the Airbnb. We made it. Yay. So exciting. Where do we go? I had so much fun swimming, and now we're going to go on a little boat tour and see the 5 villages of Cinque Terre. Even when I'm standing, it's so pretty. Hey, we're on the boat.
We're on the boat. It's so good. It's so good.
Yay! Oh my God.
Departing.
I'm having so much fun right now. I can't believe I get to do this, to be honest. But I'm so glad I am, and it's so good to make new friends. There's people kayaking as well. Look at them, they're so cute.
Hi vlog! Hi vlog! We're stopping for a sunset swim.
We're swimming?
Swim?
Are we swimming?
Yes! Our best laugh.
Place with so many stairs, but it's so pretty. Scariest moment ever. I left my sketchbook at the Airbnb, but I got it back. Ooh, stair. Okay, that was actually so scary, but got it back. Oh my God, she was just cleaning it. What a nice lady. I was like, oh, molto grazie. Thank you. How much hours of work in here already, and I just really I wouldn't be able to get those back. So I guess this is a good time to talk about my experience though. It's so beautiful here. I feel like I've said that like 6 times in my vlogs the last 24 hours, but truly it is, and it's probably the most beautiful place I've ever been. However, the whole city is on a hill. Wow, I'm so grateful that I get to do this. Like, who gets to do this, you know? So it's not something that I'm doing without lots of gratitude for everyone who supports me to be able to do this. So, not me being sappy, not me self-reflecting. The train home, got to the final one.
We made it.
We made it.